Hello everyone, this is Paukshte Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. I also want to remind you that some of my video courses are already available. Buy them if you haven't done it yet. I would really appreciate your support. Today I would like to give you a review of the new dress Ola made for herself. The dress is absolutely gorgeous. It's very beautiful. This is an evening dress. The skirt is decorated with a fringe. The bodice is pretty unusual, and it makes the dress look very special. The princess seams on the front and the back were combined with the darts and tucks. Due to this fact, the bodice looks like a corset. In the next videos, Ola will show you how to adjust a basic pattern for this design. Do you want her to do it? Have a look at the perfect lines, the armhole, the neckline on the back, the princess seams. Absolutely amazing. The bodice is made of crepe. The center and the side details were doubled with net. This part was decorated with rhinestones. Olga created the dress herself. Ola is also a designer, and we're going to make many more videos with her. Do you want to see Ola more often? Clothes she wears are more suitable for the young generation. Let's have a close look at the dress. We made the lines in such a way that the darts and tucks will move to them. The details make the dress pretty strong. The dress is lined. As I've already said, the center and the side details were doubled with net. This design is perfect for some special occasions. I really hope you like it. You can wear this dress with a jacket or without it. If you don't have the opportunity to decorate the skirt with a fringe, or you don't like the idea, you can make a skirt of any design you like. Flared, pencil skirt. If you wish, you can combine crepe with lace instead of net. Or chiffon. Be creative. The most important thing is to learn how to make a pattern for such dress. And then you can use your sewing skills and imagination to create anything you want. I just wanted to be able to sew accurate, high-quality garments. Have a close look at the dress once again. Next, Ola will take the dress off, and I will put it on the table to show you the dress in detail. Ola, put a jacket on. Have a look at Ola. This is a pretty unusual combination. A glamorous dress and a men's style jacket. The jacket is made by some famous fashion brand. It goes well with the dress. This is a ready-made jacket. Ola just likes the way the jacket looks like together with the dress. What do you think? It's time to show you the dress in detail. I'll put it on the table to show you the wrong side of it. Have a close look at the dress. As I've already said, we made these lines in such a way that the darts and tucks will move to them. The central part is doubled with net and decorated with rhinestones. These details are not covered with net, and the sides are. The same thing on the back. The center and the side details are covered with net, and these parts are not. In the next videos, Ola will show you how to make such dresses. When you make princess seams on the bodice, they make the dress fit you well. They make the bodice pretty strong. The lining copies the details of the bodice. We always make linings this way. The neckline is edged with the facing. The facing turns into the lining. I'm working on the 2 video courses for you. How to make sheet dresses with sleeves and without them. You probably know that it's much harder to make a lined sheet dress without sleeves than the one with sleeves. This dress is lined. We showed you both the wrong and the right sides. You saw Oля wearing this dress. I can't wait for Oля to show you how to make such dresses. I'm sure that you like these videos. There is an invisible zipper in the side seam. Be very attentive. The seams are very thin. The side details are made of crepe, doubled with net. And there is also lining here. 3 layers of fabric. Nevertheless, the seam is thin and neat, because all the extra pieces were cut, and the seams were pressed well. Well done. The shoulders were made the same way. They are very thin. Please be very careful and attentive. The quality of the dress depends on such small details. If I look at a dress and see that the seams are too thick, I'm not going to wear it. The side seams are perfect. They are very thin. This is an amazing job. I hope that you like the dress. I can't wait for Ola to show you how to make it. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Paukshte Irina. Buy my courses, subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and the bell buttons. We would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.